What seemed impossible happened. We defeated the USSR to win the medal. Our team had 20 players averaging 22 years of age. As individuals, they were good. As a team, they were a synergistic winning machine that became the best ice hockey team in the world that night in 1980. So if you involve all the stakeholders and nurture synergy, you can build close working relationships to obtain common goals and solve problems. How do you get a culture that will foster synergy and cooperation? How do you get a culture that builds a trusting relationship between vertical and horizontal relationships to obtain goals and solve problems? How do you get a culture where all functions realize the importance of each other? It's not my problem. This is where I like to tell my "it's not my problem" story. This goes back to 1982. Like I said, we've been working on our culture for some time. We were developing quality plans as part of our quality management efforts. The Polymers Manufacturing Division decided to present their plan to plant maintenance to ask for their help in improving the quality of polymers. The maintenance people felt that they had nothing to do with quality of the product, but they agreed to come and listen. So Polymers presented their quality plan for the coming year. It listed ways that maintenance could help improve the finished product, polymer or plastic pellets. These are the pellets that go into bottle applications, such as the 2-liter soft drink bottle. The Polymers Division makes both green and clear polymer in the same building, and at that time were experiencing contamination. Polymers felt that they could not reduce this contamination until maintenance repaired the leaking valves that allowed green pellets to leak into the clear pellets. One green pellet in 1,000 clear pellets is unacceptable to the customer. When maintenance heard this, they said, "This is not our problem. We've worked on those valves, causing production downtime and wasting the mechanics issue. And we've put new valves on which don't work. You need a better engineered design. This is not a maintenance problem." To this, engineering responded, "This is not our problem. We've redesigned those valves and sent the design to purchasing, who continue to purchase the cheaper valve. This is not an engineering problem." Well, each function saw the need for the other function and formed a partnership to solve the problem, to do whatever it took to make a quality product and satisfy the customer. "It's not my problem" won't be acceptable if we're to be world class. Our functional groups must cooperate with each other in order to beat the competition. Each group, each person must see their place fitting with the others. If people don't have a high degree of trust for each other, the organization will not function well. This is the kind of relationship we need. Today, we see a lot more of this kind of cooperation at Eastman. For example, a team of reps from maintenance, engineering, and training formed a partnership to improve equipment reliability. Studies showed that 50 to 70% of rotating equipment failures are caused by imbalance and shaft misalignment. The task was to implement a standard plant-wide method of shaft alignment using the best technology and alignment practices. Maintenance reviewed our alignment methods and found many different methods and levels of skill in use. The team evaluated over other methods, selected one, developed training, trained mechanics, and developed standards for alignment.
That's good.